I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open and in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. For question number 1, what we have to do here is choose the correct adjective which collocates with listeners. What kind of listener can you be? Can you be a faint listener, poor listener, frail listener, or a hopeless listener? Well, you can be one of two things. You can either be a good listener or you can be a poor listener, and that's why the answer in this case is B. For question number 2, we have to be aware of context. The context here, as is introduced at the beginning of the sentence, it says the reason for this is when talking to a colleague or friend. So you're talking. So there's a conversation. So one person talks, the other person then talks. One person talks, the other. You know how it works. So what this is trying to get at, though, is that one person, instead of listening, they are already thinking about what they're going to say. And if someone says something to you, then generally you respond to that person, which is why the answer in this case is B, response. For question number 3, here we can go over a really simple but really useful rule which talks about the parts of something, whether it's a book, whether it's a film, or whether it's a party, which is what we're talking about here. Parties have a beginning, they have an end, but they also have a middle, which is why the answer in this particular case is C, even in the middle of an extremely noisy party. For question number 4, the key word here is gift, and gift in the sense of having an ability, not gift in the sense of a birthday present or Christmas present or something like this. Now, gifts in the context of simply having an ability collocate with only a few verbs. You can have a gift, definitely, but can you possess a gift, achieve a gift, receive a gift, or acquire a gift? The other verb that collocates with gift in the context of an ability or a special ability is D, acquired. You either have a gift or you acquire a gift. In other words, you simply get from somewhere. Question 5 is a different version of something that we commonly see, and that is a question which revolves around pay attention. Normally you have attention but you don't have pay, sometimes you have pay and you don't have attention. But here we need to put the adjective which collocates with attention. So do you pay strong, close, hard, or deep attention? The collocation that we want is close attention. For question number 6, we need to choose the verb to complete the phrasal verb something going. In other words, we want something to start. So which of these answers collocates with going to mean start in this case? Give, put, get, or make? The answer is get. To get something going. In other words, make something start or make something happen. For question number 7, if we understand the context correctly, we're basically looking for something that means the same as give you more, or to give you extra. In this case, if we have a look at the answers, do you provide more detail, participate more detail, contribute more detail, or attach more detail? The key word also that we have to pay attention to is detail, because the word that we're looking for here has got to collocate with detail. The answer is, of course, A. You provide detail. You don't participate in detail, you don't contribute detail, and you don't attach detail. For question 8, we're looking to complete the phrasal verb with the correct preposition in order with give more in this case. So you can then ask for more details, or you can then continue with other open-ended questions. So which of these answers are we looking for? Follow along? No. Follow in? No. Follow after? No. Follow up? Yes.